Hey, congratulations on successfully securing your abroad education loan. But are you worried about the repayment of the principal and the interest amount? Well, hold on tight, because by the end of this video, you will have the key to master your abroad education loan repayment like a pro. Hi friends, this is Aman Jain, one of the founding members at GyanDhan. In today's video, I will walk you through the repayment process of abroad education loans and share valuable tips on how to effectively plan your repayment to ease your financial burden. But hey, before we start, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that you never miss a video from GyanDhan. First thing first, the repayment process for abroad education loans differ from lender to lender. But a shared aspect among all the lenders is that once the moratorium period is over, you are required to pay the EMI every month consistently. A common student query is whether you are required to start repaying the loan while studying or not. Well, the answer to this question depends on your lender and the payment option available to you. For example, public banks mostly do not require you to start repaying during your course of study. Instead, the interest charged during your study period is collected and added to your principal amount on which your EMI is calculated. For private banks and NBFCs, you are required to pay simple or partial simple interest during the course period. After the moratorium period ends, that is 6 to 12 months after the course completion, students have to start paying the EMI. In cases where banks and NBFCs sanction loans without collateral for universities and courses that are not included in their pre-approved list, immediate EMI to be paid from the day the loan is disbursed. This means that the borrower will have to start repaying the loan as soon as it is disbursed without any moratorium period. Now that you are aware of the repayment process of abroad education loans offered by various lenders, let's understand how you can plan your repayment with minimum financial burden. As an education loan expert at GyanDhan, I often come across cases where students struggle to plan their repayment. Hence, I'm going to share 5 short steps that can help you plan your repayment without facing any financial crunch in the future. So number 1, establish a repayment plan where you will need to channel your inner financial planner. Calculate your monthly installments and set up a budget to accommodate it. Make sure you consider your post-study income, expenses, and the duration of your repayment term. Number 2, go for automated payments. Automating your loan payments ensures that you won't accidentally miss a payment and bear unnecessary fees. You can set up automatic deduction on fixed dates of every month. Trust me, your future self will thank you for setting up this habit. Number 3, consider prepayment of your loan. If you have the means to escape the clutches of debt a bit sooner, especially when you get a good joining bonus, try the prepayment of an abroad education loan. That means paying the outstanding loan amount before the due date. In this process of early repayment of the loan, the borrower makes a lump sum payment to the lender to clear partial or entire outstanding amount in one go. Number 4, look for available subsidies. Capitalize on features such as margin money, lower interest rate for women, benefit schemes like Rin Raksha, interest subvention by banks for differently abled or economically weak students, and make use of various subsidies offered by the government. Number 5, consider transferring your existing education loan to a new lender with a lower interest rate. Especially once you get a job, your profile improves and lender generally agree on a loan takeover by offering a reduced interest rate. This will help you lower your EMI. Let's understand this by an example. Rohit, a postgraduate student, took an education loan of 30 lakh rupees at 12%. His EMI was 43,000 something, and his total amount repayment to the bank, including the interest rate in the entire duration, is somewhere around 71 lakh rupees. However, he transferred his loan to another bank with 10% interest rate, where his EMI has now become 40,000 rupees, and his total amount payable become around 63 lakh rupees. Can you see that the amount Rohit will be saving? Can you imagine how much money you can save even with a 2% lower rate? So folks, this tip will help you effectively plan your repayment and allowing you to repay your loan easily and even before the schedule time. Till now, you must have guessed how important it is to calculate your EMI beforehand. Hence, GyanDhan brings you the ultimate EMI calculator that calculates your EMI within seconds and plan your entire repayment schedule. To calculate your EMI accurately, click on the link mentioned in the description. Friends, we understand that taking an education loan is a crucial decision and it comes with a great financial responsibility. Therefore, it is important to stay updated with the latest trends. Remember, staying informed about such repayment planning tips can make a significant differences in your financial health. And for such tips, expert advice is always recommended. And our expert education loan counselor at GyanDhan makes sure that students like you are completely aware of ways to ease the financial burden that often comes with international education. We understand that studying overseas is an expensive affair. Therefore, all our services are completely free of cost. We are here to help you navigate the best education loan that will cater to all of your expenses and minimize your financial burden. GyanDhan will stand by your side not only during the education loan process but also after that. We'll guide you through the disbursement and the post-disbursement phases as well. So, if you or someone you know is planning to study overseas, check your loan eligibility with the link mentioned in the description and start your abroad education loan journey with GyanDhan. Once confirmed, you will be assigned a dedicated education loan counselor who will guide you through each and every step of the process. Well, there you have it. Folks, remember, while repayment of education loans might not be the most thrilling aspect of your study abroad experience, it is an essential one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more study abroad related videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in our upcoming videos, please let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, stay informed and make wise decisions. Happy studying and take care.